Next question. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of the square is equal to half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on one side of one of its diagonals. Okay. First, let's draw square. Let A, B, C, D is a square. Okay. Here, equilateral triangle described on one side of a square. Okay. Let's draw one equilateral triangle on one side of square. AB is the one side of square. So this is equilateral triangle ABE. AB is the one equilateral triangle on one side of the square. Okay. Let ABCD is the one square and ABE. ABE is one equilateral triangle on one side of a square. One side of the square is equal to of the area of the equilateral triangle described on its diagonals. Okay, here AC is the diagonal of the square. Let's draw one equilateral triangle on diagonal of square. Okay. Let AFC one equilateral triangle on diagonal of a square AC. Okay. Triangle AFC one equilateral triangle on diagonal AC. Okay, is it clear? Here we have two equilateral triangle. We know equilateral triangle, all angles are equal and all sides are equal. Okay, ABE. This is one equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Okay, let side equal to x units. Okay. Next, AFC is one equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Okay. Suppose side equal to y units. This is y. Okay. Here we need to prove that area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square AEB, area of triangle ABE is equal to half of the area of an equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. Okay. Area of triangle AFC. Okay. See this figure? In equilateral triangles, all angles are equal. All angles are equal to 60 degrees. Okay. This is 60, 60, 60. This angle equal to 60, 60, 60. Okay. Consider these two triangles. All angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Here using AAA similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Okay, here triangle ABE is similar to triangle AFC. Here using angle similarity criteria. Okay, we know if two triangles are similar, okay, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle ABE by area of triangle AFC. Okay, these two triangles are similar, so the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, corresponding sides are AB, AE by AF equal to EB by FC, which is equal to AC by AB. Okay, square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. AE by AF whole square equal to EB by FC whole square equal to AB by AC whole square. Okay, area of triangle ABE by area of triangle AFC equal to AB by AC whole square. Here AB equal to X. What is the value of AC? See this figure. In square, all sides are equal. Here AB equal to X. So BC also X and DC also X. AD also X. Okay, here one side equal to X units. In square, all sides are equal. Okay, so BC equal to X. Here using Pythagoras theorem, Y equal to, see, ABC is a right angle triangle. So apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, hypotenuse is AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. BC equal to X square, BC equal to X units, AB equal to X units. So AC square equal to 2X square. AC equal to root 2 into X. In place of AC, we write root 2x. Here x get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by root 2 value is 1 by root 2 whole square equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle AFC equal to 1 by 2. Area of triangle ABE equal to of into area of triangle AFC. Okay. Here we need to prove area of triangle ABE equal to of into area of triangle AFC. Okay, both are same, hence proved.